In this video, I'll show you how you can remove desktop icons without deleting them in Windows 11. There are two ways that you can do this. The first way, if you right click on your desktop, then go to View and then click Show Desktop Icons, it's then going to hide all of your icons. You can do the same thing to get them back by clicking the same button. If you want to hide individual icons though, you can right click on any individual icon. You can then go to Properties. Then if you go to General and click on Hidden, you can then click OK and it will then hide that desktop icon. If you want to see this icon again, you need to open up File Explorer, then go to your desktop here, and then if you go to View, you can then go to Show, and then you need to check Hidden Icons. That will then make the icon reappear. You can then right click and go to Properties, General, and change it back unchecked from Hidden, and then it will be back for good. So those are two ways you can hide desktop icons.